I'm gonna get my things, man. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, okay. I slept with him. I slept with him, okay? That's why. Because you treat me like shit. Yeah.
All units, 1031. An APB has been issued for an escaped felon. CTOS is tracking the suspect's coordinates. Approach with extreme caution.
Oh, yeah. You treat me like shit, man. You wanna hit me? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's the deal?
Typical.
Hands where I can see.
I didn't do nothing!
You have to answer for your crime.
Oh, shit!
God damn it! Screw this! Okay, that's... You're kidding. No?
Stupid piece of shit. He's running! Get on him! Hey, you! You're under arrest. Oh, what the heck? That's it. Nice and easy. Dispatch 1015, 1019. Oh my God!
Squad, we've identified a suspect in an armed robbery. Heading toward your location. Over.
Sure. What's this all about?
Let's see those hands. Hold up. We have some questions.
I didn't start this!
What's going on?
Opening fire!
Wow.